Now, the crackdown on cryptocurrencies is gathering momentum in many countries as regulators look to curb tax evasion and regulate all financial transactions. In South Korea, authorities seized more than $47 million in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets from 12,000 people accused of tax evasion. Police in Iran have shut down a cryptocurrency mining farm and taken custody of 7,000 computers. Authorities have also banned the Iran Blockchain Association, a collective of local miners. And China has ordered all electricity companies to stop supplying to crypto mining projects. The move is expected to shut down 90% of the sector in the country. While many countries are tightening the noose around crypto assets, the industry continues to boom in other places. The Middle East's first listed digital asset-based fund has been launched on Dubai's Nasdaq. Canadian firm 3iQ has taken the plunge, debuting its Toronto-listed Bitcoin fund in the UAE. The fund has around $1.5 billion in assets under management and plans to double that next year. Jacob Greaves sat down with the founder, Frederick Pai, to see what role the Middle East might play in its expected growth.
So with the listing of the Bitcoin fund, it's going to give people access in the region to this fund on the Dubai Exchange in the hours the Dubai Exchange trades at. If the volumes are significant, we'll be looking to raise capital to increase the size of the Bitcoin fund here in Dubai, and we will continue to issue shares based on the demand that comes from the region. But it's more so not just Dubai, it's the entire MENA region.
Given the regulatory crackdown we've seen in China on cryptocurrencies, do you expect similar hurdles in this region, and do you expect it to have an impact on overall appetite for cryptocurrencies?
Well, I think for those of us in the Bitcoin world, China's banned Bitcoin every year for the last 8 years. This time with banning mining, obviously it had an effect. The good news is when we announced our listing in Dubai, Bitcoin was 60,000, and I said the best thing for Dubai would for us to have a significant correction into our listing. So today at 32,000, we're very excited because when we hit an all-time high, our investors and our clients and our friends will have doubled their money.
What interest have you had from institutional investors here in the Middle East and from sovereign wealth funds?
We have been chock-a-block all day long. We've met with some incredible sovereign wealth fund people from Dubai, from Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Saudi. We'll be back in a few weeks to have more significant talks with them, but they are very open to the concept of this asset class, and they're very encouraged of what we've been able to create.
Sovereign wealth funds in this region are increasingly focusing on sustainable assets. How then do you sell cryptocurrencies given the climate impact of Bitcoin mining?
Obviously, the Bitcoin infrastructure people, the people around Bitcoin, are specifically in this region and in Canada, we are all chasing the sustainability. Right now, about 60% we understand of Bitcoin is mined sustainably with renewable resources, renewable energy. Renewable energy tends to be cheaper in the long run than other types of energy. So we look forward to satisfying the ESG requirements of certain pension funds and certain family offices.